this body is, they're not cheap. So just hold on here. We'll pop the body. But before I do that, I'll show you something here. If I can get to it. We'll turn some lights out here. The overhead lights, unplug them. There's the front of it. And right there's the headlights and marker lights. And I have videos on all this stuff too. And there's the taillight kit. Originally it had decals in the back. Now it's got actual working taillights. You can see the wheelie bar right there. I got aluminum axle coming for it and different wheels as well. So that's what it looks like in the front. Oh yeah. Low and mean. Low and mean. You can actually order the light kit up from Traxxas, and you can order them in color. You can get blue headlights, you can get red. I actually made my own front light kit, so I had it sitting here. I didn't get the Traxxas one, so. But yeah, I had a kit sitting here. I ordered for another truck and didn't need it, so I just put it in here. Just happened to work out for me. But this is what it looks like underneath, and I'll explain what I've done. This is the wiring for the light kit. It's got a ESC cooling fan. Here's a Valenium brushless motor right there. If you notice, the shocks are almost straight on it. When this truck comes, the shocks are way out on it, and they're almost straight now. I ordered a kit to do that, to relocate them, move them in. I eliminated the slipper in here. There's no more slipper in here. I did a slipper elimination kit, so it's almost direct. Well, that RPM sensor is going to come through here and come out, then it plugs into the receiver right here. Then inside this receiver, you pull this plug, and hidden down in there, kind of hard to see, right there by that wire, there's a button. There's a button right there, that little button right there just to the left of the wire. And that puts it in draggy mode, and this disconnects the GPS system from the gyro system, I should say. Right there's where the battery sets, and I got it kind of set in the center of it. I can adjust it so what is done to the Land Cruiser? The Land Cruiser stock drivetrain, Endura shocks. It's got a full light kit, a working winch. The light bar works. It's a full interior kit as well. It's a hard body. I put Endura steel wheels and tires on it. These wheels are they work super good. It's got RC four-wheel drive hubs on it, and stock motor. I run a LiPo 2S in it. I did go through the differentials when I got it and put better lubrication than what they actually had nothing on them when I got it. So, but all these the headlights and tail lights and marker lights all come on. It's got scale, so it's got all kinds of gear sitting on top, traction boards, shovels. It's got a driver in it. I put a snorkel on it. The mirrors came on it. There's traction mat. But the doors do open. It's like that. You can see in there. You see the driver, he's half the man. He's got padded seats. The seats are padded. Got a full dash and all